Hello, Luis, and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya, and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to increase the traffic to your website, attract more customers, and grow your company. So I'm going to start with your front page. I can see that you have the click to call button over here. You have links to the different services that you provide, and you have very nice visuals. Um, Again, here you have a brief description of those services, so concrete, patio resurfacing, full deck resurfacing, commercial concrete, concrete repair, some of the products, some of the testimonials and reviews, and then you have the videos are really good because videos are engaging and makes people stay longer. And that's a metric that Google pays attention to when ranking websites. So well done there. And then you have the footer. So overall, it is a well laid out front page, making it very easy for anyone to reach out to you. You have lots of action buttons over here. Perhaps the only thing that I would add would be the contact us form at the top, just for anyone using a mobile phone to make it very easy for them to reach out to you. In terms of the amount of content, right now, your front page has around 843 words. And to be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words because through content is that you're able to push through relevant buyer intent keywords, which is basically the way people search when they want to buy a product or a service. Let's have a look at two of your competitors. These guys, Deck and Patio Core by Barry Hagendorf. These guys have 412 words, and Paradise Decks and Spas, these guys have 812 words. So definitely another opportunity there just to beat out the competition is just to have a look at that website, at that content, and just make sure that it is your buyer intent keywords are sprinkled in the content of your website. So I came here to the Google search and I type in concrete resurfacing San Antonio, and you're actually so there are three sections: the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic and generating leads. Then you have the map packs. These sections take 30 to 40% of the traffic, and you're already ranking on the first position here, and in the Google organic search, which is the third section. So you're actually ranking very well for those type of services. So I decided to search for deck repair San Antonio, which I believe that's where you have opportunities. So as we saw, this is the Google Ads. Then to rank here in the Google Map Pack, you need optimize and geotag pictures. You need reviews, and Google wants to see that you're interacting with with your customers. And you then need citations, which is basically to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, and the name, address, and phone number need to match those exactly in your Google business profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. Now, the third section, which is the Google organic search, you are first required to have a website that is correctly built, that is safe, and that is responsive, and then you need to focus on something that we call backlinks. So to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs, and in this tool I can see that there are 80 external websites pointing to your website through 215 backlinks, and that's exactly a backlink, a link on another website that is referencing your or any other website. Now, if I have a look at Deck and Patio, these guys have, well, this is the landing page. So, okay, if I have a look at the whole domain, they have 48 external websites directing traffic towards their domain through 518 backlinks. And Paradise Decks and Spa, they have, again, the landing page does not have any backlinks, but the domain parent has 129 external websites directing traffic to the domain through 829 backlinks. So it's important just to pay attention to that backlink profile, just to make sure that you are actually having not only more backlinks, but you're having quality backlinks. And the quality backlinks are those that are sitting on the websites that are related to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in. Now, the other section that I wanted to share is the organic keywords. So your website is being found for 1,300 organic keywords. And in here, I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times those keywords are searched for per month, and the position is in which position your website is appearing in the Google organic search. So I actually search for San Antonio and you are ranking on the first position. We already knew that for concrete repair San Antonio, stained concrete. So you are actually ranking very well. Anything beyond the 12th position means that you're already on the second page of Google, so it's going to be really hard to attract any traffic. But you see here, for example, you have put deck repair, you are on the first position. Excuse me. You are ranking for San Antonio splash pad. You're on the 16th position, so perhaps something to look at. Let's have a look at these guys, deck and patio care. These guys are being found for 155 organic keywords. And in here we can see, for example, that deck repair San Antonio has a search volume of 150. Deck repair, deck cleaning, um, they are on the third position, and because of that, they were able to get an estimated traffic of 14 visits to their website. Deck Builder San Antonio, well, they're on the 26th, 28th position. But basically what I'm trying to say here is that you want to focus on those keywords that have the highest search volume to make sure that your website is being ranked for those keywords, and then build a backlink profile so that you can actually rank at the top for those organic keywords, and then you are going to be able to grab the majority of the traffic and then grab the attention of your potential customers, because it means that a percentage of those are going to end up in your website, then another percentage is going to reach out to you, and then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert them into customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to improve your website, and please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.